Lahat po yun, ganun ho ba ang official version ng laban? Or
Yes, Your Honor. That's
resisting arrest?
756, Your Honor. 756 deaths.
756 deaths under investigation.
No. Police operations.
756 deaths during police operation. And the official version of all of this is non-laban po.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are all of this indicated in the corresponding reports?
Yes, Your Honor.
Non-laban.
Ang laban.
And
Otherwise, if hindi sila ng laban, buhay sila, Your Honor. Yes.
yan po ang tinitingnan natin dito. Pasensya na po,
Bakit
Director
po
General. Much as I would want to believe you, sir.
I hope you believe me, Your
Much
Honor.
as I would want to believe you.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, I think, yes, there are. There are cases na ganyan ho. Na nanlaban, nag-resist, o ng attempt na agawan o mag-agaw ng
Yes,
armas. But you're telling us, so you're putting it on record that all of these 756 deaths, ganun ang surrounding circumstance, nanlaban. And this is supported by what you say are the corresponding police reports. At kapag may namamatay po dyan sa mga sitwasyon na yan, na allegedly nanlaban, I suppose, meron hong nandyan siyempre yung SOCO. Correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yung SOCO reports
Yes, Your
would
Honor.
confirm that, na nanlaban.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you sure of that, sir?
Your Honor, unless proven otherwise, there is controverting evidence. I presume that my men are performing their duties regularly.
Tama po kayo. Meron hong presumption of regularity, the performance of official functions.
Yes, Your Honor.
Entitled din po ang kapulisan dyan sa presumption. But, meron ho ba talaga nag-iimbestiga ng seryoso at maayos dyan each and every case of that 756 deaths, and then mako-confirm talaga na nanlaban ang mga yan? So how many of the 756 deaths in the course of police operations ang under investigation, and by which office?
Your Honor, that is the reason why each incident is investigated by IAS, motu proprio, to determine the truth. So after, pag may namatay, Your Honor, talagang automatic ang investigang IAS.
Yes, that's under the law.
Yes, sir.
Automatic.